Alright, so welcome back. So in this video I will show you how to create your broadcast list. Broadcast list, if you don't know what broadcast list is, it's just a feature on WhatsApp which you can use to message many of your content, maybe up to 250 something, up to 256 people at once using a broadcast list. So let me just show you how you can do it so that it will ease your activities when doing your marketing on WhatsApp. Okay, if you have your prospect, ensure that they save your number so that they will be seeing your status, and also you will be sending them broadcast messages, so that you will be reminding them of your offer or the product that you are selling to them. Or you can use a broadcast list to remind your prospect on a particular training that you are going to do or a particular offer. So let me see how we can do that. So just enter your WhatsApp like this and click on this three dot over here, over the top right hand side, top near this search button. You see these three dots here, and then create. You see number one, create new group, new broadcast. So choose new broadcast. Okay, so then you select, you see the number of the maximum of 256 members. Select the number of people that you want to add to your broadcast. So for this now, let me just add myself so that I will be able to create the broadcast list, because at least you have to add another one person. So let me add this one, and okay, maximum it must be 2 person. So let me choose another person. So click on this blue tick. So you see I create the broadcast list. This is how you can create it. So you can name it, you can rename the broadcast list if you like. You see, come over here to these three dots. You see change broadcast list, then you can name it whatever you want. Okay, just name it whatever you want and click OK. You see, and if you want to add participants, maybe you just created your broadcast list and you want to add new participants that come to your DM, just come to here, edit recipient, or you can click on this three dot here. You see add recipient. So anyone, just look for who you want to add and click on his name. You see it will take his name. So that is it for broadcast. So once you message on this, even if they are up to that 256, one anything you type here and send it, it will go to every member of this broadcast list. So with that, you don't have to follow them one after the other to chat them up. You see, you just come to your broadcast list and type whatever you want to type to them, even if you want to greet them, hi friend. So it will go to all of the members, so they might think that you follow them one after the other to greet them, which is quite not not so. So that is it for